Contestant number 40, Sarantham Nirupama, Manipur. The goddess of Manipur. For Meitei goddess, this hand-woven costume is a proud tribute to Manipur's rich heritage and the strength of its women. The lotus pink Thamba Lekhok Fanek, Sangai adorned Enafi, purity-filled Urik set with Kajingle headgear and Shirui lily wings reflect the state's beauty and power. Saroi Garoi dolls hang from her hands as conquered spirits, marking her triumph over darkness and her mission to bring peace, unity and hope.
Contestant number 41, Soumya Verma from Delhi, with her theme, Unity in Diversity.